Managing the customer experience is one thing, but making impact together in a consistent way is another. We see that the most customer-centric teams in the world are trusting TheyDo to start managing around journeys, organizing around their customer journeys so they can create impact. But what it means in practice is that you need to create some consistency. And that is exactly what we're doing with TheyDo. We're enabling you to create a system of record, a source of truth for all your journeys, but also for your insights. So not only looking at how a customer goes through any particular experience, but looking at your customer insights equally as looking at your quantitative data in one place across your journey. Now, this is the first step that teams take to build out these journeys in a consistent way. So you'd have your data, the steps that customers go through, and the insights. But the second layer is understanding how your current solutions in your organization, like features or solutions like content or email communication you have in place, influence that specific step in the journey. Now, we call them solutions, and each solution in TheyDo has an owner, and you can assign some properties to it, but it also has a link to the step in the customer experience where customers touch it or users engage with the content. We call them steps or touch points, if you will, and you can link everything together in a consistent way. By doing this, you're not only recreating reality in a specific, consistent way using the same building blocks, your metrics, your insights, and your solutions across your journeys, but it will also give you one more level of detail that everyone loves in TheyDo, adding your opportunities. Now, opportunities are the pinnacle in journey management where you take something from a journey. Let's say this opportunity is reducing the pricey bill shock, and I can actually assign it to Charles because I think he should be owning that. And I know it's already in progress. But this opportunity has a value score for the customer and the business. Now, in this journey, this might be the most important one we focus on. But in the context of the broader experience, looking at all the journeys that go into the awareness stage of the customer lifecycle, this journey is a cog in a wheel. And the opportunities from all these journeys might be relevant too. So what TheyDo helps you to do is not only capture the customer experience in a consistent way, but then look at all the opportunities from all these journeys in one place. And then find out what is important, and that might be something different. So here I see improve information overview might be the one that we want to go after. And I can already see there's a bunch of solutions in progress that people are working on. By piecing it together in this way, we see that customer experience can be managed across teams, across journeys, in a very effective way, while keeping the focus on the customer journey as the way to align. So if you're excited with this, about this, let me know. We're here to help you get set up, and you'll be off to the races in no time. Understanding the 4 pieces like metrics, insights, solutions, and opportunities, of course, takes a few hours to set up, structure in the right way. But once you know how your system will be consistent across all the different teams, you can start to manage and create impact together.